I'm using the app Skool to host my membership program on it, and Skool just released a new feature called tiers, where you can have a multiple tiers inside one community that people can upgrade to. Multiple membership subscription tiers, right? Let's talk about the model that I'm gonna follow now myself to grow my membership community using this feature called tiers, right? The challenge in the past was that for us to be able to have free community, which is good to acquire new leads right into, and then we needed to have a separate paid community to be able to get paid, right? Because you couldn't have inside one Skool community, you couldn't then charge people if you had it set as free community, right? And that was a huge challenge, right? Now we are able to have both communities, free and paid, right? Being able to get paid subscriptions, we can have it all combined in one community. So here is the idea, right? When in the past I needed to have two communities. I needed to have a free one, so I was able to get a lot of people in for free that became my leads. But then if I wanted to get paid, I needed to move them I needed to get them to pay me through the second paid community that I had, right? Now we can only have one community, and the model that I chose is gonna be that my community is gonna be a freemium community. It's gonna be a free community that people can get into for free, and they will unlock module 1 of my course and a weekly webinar class on a free plan, right? But if they upgrade into the premium membership subscription or into the VIP membership subscription, right, then they will be treated as paid members now, and will have extra weekly group coaching call and other benefits as well, because they are now paying. So they are now paid members, and they will unlock the module 2 and module 3 of my course when they upgrade to my second and third membership tiers, right? So I call this new model that I'm gonna follow now, and I was really waiting for it. I'm gonna call it Transformational Ascension Community. You want to run a community where people actually get results, and you provide them with some free help at the beginning, of course, and then they're like, oh, I want to pay more, I want to get more results, I want to get my results faster, right? I want to pay. So inside of the community, transformational community, people will provide people with a lot of value, because your goal is, right, that you just want to help people. You want to get people results, whether they are a free person or they are a paid one, right? Of course, you want to have people paying you, right? And those people will be moving forward faster, and they will get more support and more help, and they will become better success case studies, right? Because you're gonna work with them, right? But you as a coach, you want to help people, right? And now we can have one community in which we then are able to help people, but ascend them to pay us monthly subscriptions, right? So now we are growing our paid membership clientele, and we are paid now, either a premium membership monthly fee or a VIP monthly membership fee, right? So this is gonna be called the Ascension Community. Understand this, it's all about the idea of being able to ascend people, whether manually or automatically, right? So manually, we can ascend people by, hey, they become our free leads, right? They join our free community. We can chat with them. They see content of ours, right? Maybe we can go on quick calls with them. We help them a little for free. And then we tell them, hey, if you want to get more help, a weekly group coaching call, we can manually now, from a call, ascend them into the paid memberships, right? But the goal is that we don't want to rely on manual signups or upgrades, right? Because that is time consuming. We want to automate those signups, and the Ascension Community model will allow us to do that, right? There exist a few ways through which you can automatically ascend people into becoming your paying members, right? This is how it's gonna all work, right? Your goal is to grow your free community with lots of new people, right? So you acquire those leads, you collect their emails, right? And you have now a lot of new people coming in for free. Acquiring people into a free community is very easy, right? You can get a lot of leads coming into your free community. So that's a goal. But now how to automatically upsell them into your paid memberships, right? 2 tiers, right? There are a few ways. Number one, people will get access to your course module number 1. And they can watch a few videos, right? And inside your course module number 1, there will be links that they can now upgrade to get more help and guidance through this module 1, and that if they completed module 1 now, if they want to unlock module 2, they need to upgrade, right? So this will be passive now sales through the video course modules, right? Another upsell in the course module number 1 is gonna be, hey, you can attend a free webinar class that I run on a weekly basis inside a free community, right? So this free webinar class is also gonna be in a calendar section of the free community. And whenever you're gonna run a free webinar class, maybe every week or once per month, right? You're gonna get a lot of free leads to this webinar Q&A class. On a webinar Q&A class, you can coach and answer people's questions. You treat it as a live webinar, as going live, and or even you can have a presentation. You just pick a topic, or you can do a Q&A coaching there, right? People ask you questions, you coach them, but you are always pointing people into module 1, module 2, or module 3 of your course. You tell them, hey, you can upgrade to get another weekly group coaching call just like this one, or to access module 2 or module 3, right? You can upgrade into the paid membership options, right? And you direct them to the plans, skool.com/your community/plans page, where people can upgrade now, right? So from a webinar coaching live class that you can do weekly or monthly, you can now get people to just click the link, right? You direct them to pay into your higher tiers, right? Or after the webinar, you can DM those who attended it, hey, how did you enjoy the class, right? And you can now continue a manual conversation and get them upsold into the paid tiers, right? So you see, that's a second way. First one was course videos, then it's going live or doing a webinar class inside your free school community, right? And another way to get people upgraded, which I forgot to tell you in the main video, right, is that the calendar section will show the free members that you are actually right now having a paid kind of a strategy coaching session with paid members, right? And the free people will see that notification, and they won't be able to join the paid call right now if they have not upgraded, right? And they're gonna be urged to upgrade to premium right now if they want, or they would want to come to the paid strategy session with you right now. So that's another way to get people upgraded from calendar section, right? They won't be able to access the paid calls if they have not upgraded yet. Another way of you getting people, free people, right, upsold into paid tiers is by creating more valuable content in your free community, right? You can always every week, 3 times, 2 times, or daily post a valuable content, right? That gets people, and you tell them, hey, if you would like to get more help or access module 2 or module 3 or so, you can click this link and upgrade. Some people will, in your content that you post in your free community, click the link and to your plans page, and they will upgrade, right? So you can now promote your plans through content in your free community. So that's another way, for example, posting content consistently, right? Now the next way of how to get people upsold is to create an automated email sequence that is sent to a person who just joined your free school community. They're gonna give you their email when they joined your free school community, and you can connect the school via Zapier to your email marketing software, for example. It's gonna receive an email of that person, and it's gonna initiate an automated sales sequence sent to that person throughout the next few weeks or months, right? So it's gonna welcome them first, it's gonna then send them the link access to the module 1, it's gonna then invite maybe them to the webinar or so, or it's gonna get them to complete certain task of your module 1 course, and it's gonna then send them an email. Hey, if you would like to be guided on this journey and access module 2 and 3, you can click here and upgrade into the paid membership tiers plans, right? So you see an automated email sequence, maybe 7, 10 emails will be guiding them through module 1 of your course and giving them open doors now access to module 2 and 3 if they upgrade. It's gonna ask them, hey, pay here, right? Upgrade. Or an automated email sequence will get them to book a call with you, right? So you can write automated emails this way. Hey, if you would want to talk about upgrading or getting more help, or if you have any questions, you can book a call with me, right? So an automated email sequence will get people upsold as well, right, into paid tiers. Now, another idea of how to get people upsold into your paid tiers is called referral marketing, right? So imagine that your members will be succeeding as part of your free module number 1 and paid modules, right? They will get results. You can incentivize, you can tell people, whoever wants to invite more people into our free community, and when these people upgrade into our paid tiers, paid memberships, you're gonna get 40% commission from those people who upgraded, right? So my idea here is that and Skool app supports us with this members referring more members feature, affiliate feature, right? The idea here is that you identify ambassadors, how do you say this correctly? Ambassadors, so right, of your program, who gonna be your representatives. So members who are succeeding, you can tell them that they can be inviting more people into this community and they will be commissioned for that. So what we do now here is that now you're gonna be growing by word of mouth. And why this Ascension model is good is because you're gonna give your members affiliate links, and they will simply invite whoever they know, and they will tell them, hey, join this free community through my affiliate link. They're gonna give affiliate link, and whoever and those new people are not asked to pay now yet. They are just asked to join the free community. So the friction is so low here, right? And imagine your members, each of them will invite 2, 3, 4 people into the free community, and then your content and automated emails and webinars and other ways, right, they're gonna upsell people into becoming your paid members on its own. And then your members will start receiving referral commissions. They will be all happy, right? And they're gonna in exchange refer to you more people, right? And here is what this idea also does to you and to your community. Your members now will want to, those who referred new people, they will want to support those new free people who came in or whoever upgraded, and they will want to nurture them, and the community will now support itself. Right? Everyone is going to be supporting one another because everyone wants those new people to upgrade or to stay or participate, right? And now your members who referred more members to you, they will not cancel your membership plans as well, because if they cancel or if they drop out of the community, right, they will lose the commissions, right? And so they will keep paying, but they will also help the new leads that came in to succeed and to get them upgrade. So your ambassadors now, referral partners, will do the sales for you because they will want other people to upgrade, so they make some commissions, right? And so that's another way of how to get people to be upsold. There are 2 more ways probably that I'm gonna bring up. One is called, let me do this first, okay, self-fulfilling ads. You can run ads to your free community, or so you get then people to upgrade, and you get paid, and you use that money of people who upgraded to further pay for ads, right? So the idea here is that you are acquiring now new leads and new members for a cost lower than your middle premium membership fee, for example, $37 a month. Imagine that. Would you pay $37 for ads, for Facebook, YouTube ads, to acquire one new member? that pays you $37 a month, right? So you're gonna use the first monthly fee for further payment of ads, right? And so you can acquire more new people, right? So the idea here is it's called self-fulfilling ads. Run paid ads to fill your free community with a lot of new free leads and email. You build an email list, right, and so on. And then the Ascension community will get people to upgrade the email sequences, right? The content, the webinar of yours, the support community. Everyone is gonna be getting new free people to upgrade. They will see. So that's another feature or benefit of this idea, having free people and paid people combined. Free people will now see the successes of paid people, right? The case studies and so on, right? So you see, the ads will now be getting to you more traffic. Another idea that's advanced, right, is you can form affiliate partnerships. For example, you can run a podcast and you host on that podcast other non-competitive coaches of the same industry as you're in. If you're a weight loss coach for moms, there exists a mindset coach for moms or for women, or parenting coach for moms, or whatever, right? So you can partner up with those people, other coaches, and you can tell them, you can do a webinar or a podcast with them, or they can send an email to their email list, and you can tell them, hey, if you send an email or if we promote my free community with your affiliate link, whoever is gonna then upgrade, you're gonna get 40% per month from each person who upgraded, right? So you can now form 3 to 5 or more affiliate partnerships with other non-competitive coaches, and they will be sending more people into your free community, and then people will be upgrading, right? You see how this Ascension community model now is gonna work, right? Everything connects now. Everything will work hand in hand now. You will grow your free community, and everyone's gonna be helping one another. Everyone is gonna be getting results, successes, and everyone is gonna be upgrading, right, and paying you, right? So I developed this new model on which I'm gonna build my new membership community now, right? And I'm teaching this same idea already ahead of time to anyone who is in my free community or on my paid tiers and so on, right? And I created a new community now that's gonna be just focused on this idea that I just explained you today, right? The Ascension community model, right? Cycle as well, right? And I created a new course with 3 modules. You can access it down in the description for free. You can join our community, right? And there are 3 modules you're gonna get access to. Module 1 is you creating your own community, the same way that I just taught you, right? And you sign your first few paying members and you get them results, right? That's module 1. Module 2 is then how to feed your free community and with even more people, and how to always keep upgrading people into your paid membership fees. I'm gonna teach you how to form partnerships with referral partners, with affiliate partners, how to start a podcast, how to run a YouTube channel that gets you unlimited traffic, for example, to your free community as well. That's all part of module 2, how to create content in a way that gets people to upsold and so on, right? But then module 3 is automating your sales even more, how to write automated email sequences, how to run self-fulfilling ads to your community and so on, right? But let's not get overly complicated here. The idea is that join our community, our program. We're gonna make it even better, right? But the goal is that you create your membership program, you sign your first few paying members, and then keep signing more new members, so you can start having a recurring monthly income being paid to you, and you can free yourself up, right? And your community is now self-standing, self-sustaining. Everyone's helping each other, everyone is happy inside of your community, and everyone is succeeding, right? Including you and your members and so on. Hopefully you liked this idea that I just brought up. I know that I didn't cover all of the technical stuff about how the tiers feature works. I'll create another YouTube video in detail explaining the whole feature and what's the options and how to set it up and so on, right? But yeah, that was it for today. Hopefully you liked this idea of having a freemium Ascension Transformational Community, a free community with paid tiers in it. If you would like to learn how to apply it for yourself and how it all works and how to start your membership community, click the link down below, come into our free support community, and we're gonna work together to succeed. See ya.